So I came down early to check out the river. I got a guide trip going tomorrow with Trinity River Rafting, and the river's looking brown. They're supposed to increase the releases tonight. I think right now it's a little over 3, approaching 4,000 CFS, but potentially by tomorrow it could be upwards towards 6,000 to 8,000 CFS. So we'll see. Everything looked good upriver. I checked out the major rapids on my way down, and gonna kind of find a place to kind of bivouac for the night, so I don't have to drive all the way over here tomorrow morning, and just chill. Looks like some pretty good standing waves. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning. I'll see you then. Check this beautiful spot out. This is on the North Fork of the Trinity. Water's flowing pretty good. If I'd gotten here earlier, I might jump in there, but it's getting late in the evening now. Just met a couple who are camped upstream a little ways. They came bebopping by in their IKs. And I'm pretty much set up for the night. I got my sleeping pad on a lawn chair, reclining lawn chair. I'll sink right down in there when I stretch out. A mosquito netting to keep the mosquitoes off. Be sleeping under the stars tonight. Anyway, little quick and easy. I have a tent in my truck, but I don't think I'm gonna set it up. If I have to set it up in the dark, I'll set it up in the dark. I think I'm just gonna throw my sleeping bag up on top of that, sink down in that chair, and call it good. And the legs fit perfectly in my saw rack, so that'll work. Yeah, that'll work just fine right there. Pretty cool. All right, get another snack or something to eat, and just settle down for the evening and enjoy the sound of the river, the quiet. See, my truck is literally parked right on the edge of the jumping off spot. All right, so see you in the morning. I forgot to show you, I'm using my paddle strapped into my rack on one side to hold that mosquito netting up there. Might go find a stick and strap it on this side to hold it up a little better. Let's go see what I can do. That'll work. I cut a little madrone stick off, strapped it on there. I didn't want anything to poke a hole in my mosquito net, so I got the end with the leaves up. And that'll hold that net just not right off the top of me, so it's not down on my face once I lay down. Get my chair laid down like that, sunk in there. We'll be good to go. Sweet. Oh, this is gonna be sweet. Once I get my sleeping bag up in here, get my pillow on there. Hopefully it doesn't get too dewy tonight. If not, I can climb in the back of the cab of the truck, but this would be nice just the way this is right here. Got a great view. Sound of the river. Everything's good. Awesome possum. I can sit up if I need to. Climb in and out the bottom where my feet are. Get out that way. Right onto the tailgate. Alright. Check this out right here. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what time we get done tomorrow. I might come back down here and do a little stern squirt practice in the boat right there. Looks like a nice good current. I know that's a very deep pocket. This is used to come down here swimming years ago. Rope swing still here. River looks nice. This little hide lagoon in here. It almost looks like a spring, but it's just the river pulsing up in there and then rushing back out like the waves and the tide in the ocean. but it's here in the river. The pulse of the river breathing. So, finishing up with dinner, keeping it light, keeping it simple. Just showing you the area. This is the real part of California. Howdy, neighbor. You got company coming? See what they are. So, neighbor just checking me out. Anyway, show a little bit of this place. Pretty cool. Finish up my bagel, enjoy the evening. Mosquitoes are just starting to come out. There's just enough breeze to make it difficult for them to land on me. Very easy. So far, I haven't got bit. All right. Last video in case something happens tonight. Bigfoot comes by or something occurs. I'm going to go to bed here in a little while. It's going to get dark real fast in the mountains. Call it a day. See you in the morning. So I'm all bedded down for the night. You guys probably saw that little red streak on my chin. Cut myself when I was shaving. Didn't realize it was still there. Oh well. I got my light hanging on my drone branch. In case I need a light. And I am good to go. The mosquito net is off of me. It's only down there on my feet, but my feet are in a sleeping bag. Oh, snugged up. Got my pillow, sort of. And probably won't use it. It's just too bad. But anyway. See you in the morning. Well, it's a little after 6 in the morning. Got a little chilly last night. The wind just kept blowing. And no protection up here with this mosquito netting. But made it through the night. Start of a new day. River was loud all night. Crazy. Anyway, here's my view. Getting light on the mountain. River. Noisy, noisy, noisy. Anyway, time to get up, get around, get some breakfast in there. Start a new day, new adventure. Here we go. Well, this is Z-Drop or the slot, depending on what you want to buy. Water's come up since yesterday. Pretty good sticky hole right there. Get dead center. 3.5 foot vertical drop in that hole. Sneak out on the far side for the kayak. A bunch of line with it. Doesn't look too exciting though. This is pinball. Probably going to be the most significant drop of the day. Normally that rock right there is like 10 feet out of the water. Run over. So we're getting ready to launch on the Trinity. This is my crew, hailing from Alberta, Manitoba, Canada. They're all experienced polar bear wrestlers, so we will be just fine on the river. Everybody stopping for a break. So, pulled over for a break. Crew's doing well. We're all from Canada, having a good time. So far, we've navigated everything fairly well. Our trip leader over there. Yeah, all good so far. The juicy stuff is coming up.
We're going all the way to the trailer.
All right, good job, guys. Good job.